It's no secret that the cleaning and handyman industry is a multi-billion-dollar business. You're probably here because you're interested in either starting your own cleaning or handyman business, or you may currently have your own business and you're having a hard time scaling it. Listen, I was exactly where you are 10 years ago. We all know that the cleaning and handyman industry is a very lucrative business to be a part of. But if you do not know what you're doing, you can waste a lot of time and you can also waste a lot of money. And it's quite a headache to start and scale these type of businesses when you have no guidance or direction. My name is Nikki and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I've helped entrepreneurs all over the world start and scale their businesses. Now I'm ready to help you scale yours. There is a lot of money to be made in the cleaning and handyman industry. Just look around you. There's offices that need cleaning services. There's homes that need cleaning services every single day. There's people that need to be moved in and out of their homes. People need packing and unpacking services. These are services that we teach you how to scale in our program. Now is the time for you to learn how to create generational wealth. You need systems that will allow you to manage your business from home while your technicians or your cleaners go out to service your clients. That way, you're not experiencing burnout. See, our goal is to work smart and not hard. And in this course, that's what you will learn. We've had some clients scale their business from 5 to 7 figures using the information in our course. Other cleaning and handyman business owners have already joined this course. Cleaning and handyman businesses fail within the first 6 months because they have no knowledge on how to run their business correctly. They don't know how to price their services. They don't know how to structure their business. They don't know how to market and promote their business. A lot of people don't even know what a professional logo looks like. They don't know what great marketing and branding looks like. Even if they have really great skills, you could be a great house cleaner, you can be a great handyman. Even with those skills, if you do not know how to structure your business properly, if you don't know how to price your services correctly, if you do not know how to market and promote your business online, you still can possibly fail. There's a lot of moving parts when it comes to creating a home service business, but it is rewarding if you know how to do it the correct way. We're here to help you grow your business. Are you ready to be a part of our 6 to 7 Figures Members Club? Enroll now. I look forward to seeing you inside the course.